This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your phone is connected and the registered mobile number is accessible, because OTP delivery depends on it. Open the Yono app and tap the Forgot/Reset Password option on the login screen. This starts the secure flow. Next, enter either your customer ID, account number, or PAN as prompted so the app can verify your identity. Once you submit that, expect an OTP. Don't navigate away. You need it for the next step to prove ownership. Once you receive the OTP, type it into the app exactly as shown. If it expires, request another but avoid rapid retries. After OTP verification, the app prompts you to create a new password. Choose one with at least 8 characters, combining uppercase, lowercase, digits, and a special character to meet bank policy and reduce risk of compromise. Then retype the password to confirm and accept any updated terms. After saving, the app may offer biometric login. Enable it only on trusted devices for convenience. After saving, immediately log in with your new credentials to confirm the change and update any password managers you use, making sure to remove old stored passwords. If you don't receive the OTP or it keeps failing, verify your registered mobile number with the bank via helpline or a branch. Network blocks or D&D settings sometimes stop SMS. If the app behaves oddly, clear cache or reinstall the app. And as a last resort, contact customer support. Have your ID and account details ready to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.